Hi friends, and welcome to Reading Today. Today we are on lesson 12 of our Geode books. So you're going to read your 12th book today. I am so excited to hear you read with fluency. Alright, but before we get to reading, this week and last week we are working on the ah sound. AW says ah, as in ah, on, all, crawl. And this week we're working on the AU sound. And it says ah too, like an all, haul, or an os, sauce, or an auth, or author. Alright friends, so let's practice a few of those words. Alright, our first word is, tap it out with me. All, haul. We haul the load of laundry up the stairs. Haul. Our second one, tap it out with me. Jaunt. 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 Let's go on a jaunt to the beach. All right, let's tap out the next word. Vault. 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 The bank stores gold in a deep vault. All right, last one. Launch. 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 They launch the new game today. All right, friends, great job reading the AU sound in words. All right, friends, today we will be working on fluency. And remember, there's those three big puzzle pieces to fluency. The first one is accuracy. Are you reading the words correctly? Remember, one thing that can help with reading the words correctly is if you point to the words as you read. The second piece of the puzzle piece is rate. That's the speed of your voice and the speed you are reading. So remember, you don't want to read too slow, and you don't want to read too fast where people can't understand you. You want to read like you speak. And the third piece of the puzzle piece is expression. Expression is showing emotion when you read and not reading like a robot, right? All right, friends, let's get started. So today we are going to read One Look. One Look. So first Miss Scott will read it, and then you will read it in your daily Seesaw slides independently, practicing fluency. And when we're all done reading, we'll write a beginning, middle, and the end. Miss Scott will help you with those sentence starters. Let's get started. All right, Miss Scott is going to point to the words to help with accuracy. One look. One look. All it took was one look in the big tank. She was only 9. Sharks cast a spell on her. She puts her chin up to the thick glass. To swim with them would be a thrill. One day I will, she said. It's a big dream she has. Eugene Clark had a plan. She went to college. Not a lot of girls were there to study fish, but she was. Her dream was to know them, not from a desk, but in the sea. Then she got her wish. She went on a scuba trip. She went to the depth of the sea. The fish swam up to her mask. The shark sped past her. It was a thrill. It was a real job. I wonder what a person who studies fish is called. She had a hunch. There was more to a shark than its bite. She set up a lab. What did she find? Sharks are smart. They can learn new things. Oh, it looks like she has an experiment going on. Looks like there's a picture of another shark, and the shark is going up to it. I wonder what she's researching. She had respect for them. This was new thinking. Eugene had a very long life. She spent much of it in the sea. She did more than 70 dives. She was a whiz at that. For her, sharks were the best thing of all. She felt she had to protect them. That was her quest. This is why we call her the Shark Lady. Just think, it can all begin with one look in a big tank. So friends, all your big dreams can start with just one look into a small aquarium, or just one small thing can make your dreams come true. All right, let's quick read this and more part. Eugene Clark always loved the sea. As a child, she had her own small aquarium. She learned to swim before she was 2 years old. When Clark grew up, she earned a doctorate in zoology, the study of animals. That's what it's called, zoology. She focused on the fish she loved as a child, including platies and the swordtails. She went on to discover several species of fish. 4 species are named after her. Dr. Clark encountered a variety of sea life during her many deep-sea dives. She even rode a whale shark. This gentle shark is the largest fish in the world. It can grow to be longer than 50 feet and can weigh more than 40,000 pounds. Clark was so passionate about exploring the sea that she continued diving into her 90s. Dr. Clark credited her Japanese heritage with influencing her curiosity about the ocean. Wow, that is really interesting. Now that we've read the book together, it's your turn to go reread the book and record yourself reading it with fluency, with accuracy, rate, and expression. Pause the video to go record yourself reading the story one more time. And then come back and we'll write the beginning, middle, and end together. All right, friends, let's start. We're first going to start with the beginning. Just like we did yesterday, we can write in the beginning. So let's start writing together. In, I-N. In, finger space, the, T-H-E, the. In the, finger space, beginning, B-E-G, in, beginning. And now you need to write the character and where they were and what happened. So in the beginning, was where, and what was she doing? When you're done writing in the beginning, then we can write in the middle. Let's write it together. In, I-N, finger space, the, T-H-E, the. In the middle, M-I-D-O. What happened in the middle of the story? And last, you can write what happened in the end. Give me an I-N, finger space, the, T-H-E, the, end, E-N-D, end. All right, friends, I can't wait to see what you wrote for the retell. In the beginning, in the middle, and in the end. When you're done writing, you can upload a picture onto your Seesaw reading page. Have fun!